The one we have now, it's a designer panel, as shown by this highlighted area. As for these two, you can see that they are skin, also shown by the highlighted area. This one is the Asmr module from the designer series, displayed by the highlighted area in the middle. Designer series, available in titanium and zirconium, choice of 2 materials. Use loss-proof packaging. Make sure that what you receive are brand new products. At the same time, you can get the pleasure of unsealing. Take out the vacuum-packed product. There are a total of 5 components: panel, skin, Asmr module, designer series. It provides a mute mode and a tuning fork mode. Next, we assemble the mute mode. Load the beads in 4 slots respectively. Snap into the panel. Install the hammer textured skin. When the slider is on mute, you can feel the push. It brings a very distinct sense of jerks. Now let's take out the luminous strip. Enter tuning fork mode. Push the panel away first. Then take off the panel and take out the beads inside. The luminous strip can only be taken out from one direction. Use the pin to eject from the back of the screw. That puts you in tuning fork mode. Let's reassemble it again. So let's get into the tuning fork mode assembly. Put beads in the slot respectively. Buckle up the panel. Installation complete. Let's feel it firsthand. The unique effect brought by the tuning fork. So we're going to show you how to replace the skin patches in the designer series. First, push the panel away. There is a skin replacement hole on the back of the panel. Insert the pickup pin. Ejection skin. Install the skin that needs to be replaced. It adheres to the panel by magnetic attractive force.